everyone, we're going to find the radius of convergence of the power series. We have the sum from n equals 0 to infinity of n times x plus 3 to the power of n divided by 5n. So we can use the ratio test and look at first condition 1. I'm going to write this out. I know you can't see it. So it's the limit as n approaches infinity of absolute value of a sub n plus 1 divided by a sub n. By the way, I have these all on my Facebook page if you ever want to save a photo. Okay, so let's fill all this in. We're going to get the limit as n approaches infinity. Now, we only need the absolute value on the x part. So let's write this as n plus 1. And then our x is right in here, so that's going to be absolute value of x plus 3. And then we're going to have to the power of n plus 1 divided by 5 to the power of n plus 1. And then we're dividing by a sub n, which is the same as multiplying by the reciprocal. So that's going to be times 5 to the power of n divided by n times the absolute value of the x plus 3. All right. Now let's look at our x part, because we're taking the limit as n approaches infinity. So let's pull out our x. So this is to the first power. So this should be to the nth power. So when you divide these two, this is going to be absolute value of x plus 3 to the power of n plus 1. And when you divide by x plus 3 to the nth power, you're just subtracting n with your power of exponents. So your properties of exponents. So basically we're just going to have absolute value of x plus 3. All right, now let's see. Let's do our limit as n approaches infinity and take care of the rest of this. 5 to the power of n divided by 5 to the power of n plus 1. This is like saying 5 to the power of n divided by 5 times the 5 to the power of n. So these two cancel. So we're just going to have 5 in the denominator. And let's see what we have for the numerator. I can pull this 5 out here. It's constant, so let's pull the 5 out. Now let's just look at the ends. The ends is what we're going to take the limit on. So this is going to be n plus 1 divided by n. So as you take the limit of this just equals 1. So basically what we have is absolute value of x plus 3 divided by 5. For it to be convergent, it's going to have to be less than 5 or less than 1. And then when you cross multiply, you get absolute value of x plus 3 is less than 1. This would be convergent. All right, and divergent would be case 2. That would be absolute value of x plus 3 is greater than 1. Therefore, your radius of convergence is 1. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.